school, ang tinuturo lang is standard. At sa mga dito sa mga restaurants or sa mga resorts na papasukan ninyo. Los Perros, 1 point. Los Perros, 1 point. 3 dogs, another point. 2 points. Number 2, Las Casas.
3 points, diba?
2, Las Casas.
Come on, guys.
1 point. 3 houses. 1 point. 3, Los Lapises. Drop Z, change to C, add ES. Los Lapises. Los Lapises. 1 point. Defensives. Another
Come
point.
on.
Defensives. 4, Las Flores. 4, Las Flores. English. The songs. Okay, next. Los Paxes. Drop Z, change to C.
And add ES species.
Los Paxes. The fish. The fish correct. The fishes correct.
Yes. The fish correct. The fish, yes, correct.
Next.
Nabidyoan. Binibidyo sa sir habang nag-discuss.
Last lectiones.
Lectiones. This is the solution.
3 lessons. May S. Lessons. Pag walang S, mali ha. Lessons. Next. Los zapatos. Los zapatos. The shoes. May plural. Shoes. Kung the shoe, mali. The shoes.
Dash.
Okay, next.
Perfecto. Paepal kita ra. Pan lang mo selfie na.
Angelica.
Ikaw buyot selfie lang ako.
Picture.
Malabo. Sa'yo, may pagkakalas ka sa kung ginapos, huwag girang what edit. So we are doing the Spanish word with a translator in English. Bye, sir. Adios. Kami magpauwian na sa Garcia. Kahinayan ko lang na brightest para hindi alala.
Let's go home, guys.
Kay Garcia sa third
It's
floor.
time to go home.
Third floor.
We already finished the Spanish.
Sa'yo mo, kagas-kagas. Kala mo ba ang kamera ka to? Pat edit-edit. As in. Tapos sa'yo, may tayo wala akong mga followers. Hi.
Nos vemos. Nos vemos.
Hagam.
Ah. Vlogging you.
Hi, vlog.
Vlogging, guys. Because we don't have money.
Nag-aaral sila. Kabulong mga kamera yan.
Wait pa, ikaw alis.
Yan eh, ba't pa si Kualis? Ba eh, pang wala na, pang katarad pa doon. So, here, this year, uwi na kami. Uwi na kami, it's 4 p.m. afternoon.
It's na
4 p.m. mo.
3:55.
4 p.m. 5 minutes before 4 p.m. So, we are going home and
We're going to wait our
so
service.
it's our Garcia College of Technology. Doon kay ante. Ante, ayan kay ante.
Bulok mo lang galing kamera.
Ay! Kala ko si Tessa. So, doon kami minsan tumatambay. Garcia College. Ay, naglabo. Of Technology. Yaw.
Medyo kita mga mukbang-mukbang.
Sin mukbang. Ay nga ni. Isun si Antoinette.
Our
Si Antoinette, our
very
classmate.
beautiful classmate, like a model.
Ay, si Birit video na to. Si Evelyn
The
and
smallest one.
the
Smallest.
the
And the mahipot.
introvert person. So, sada, ayan. Ay, si Pia.